How to delete Twitter account. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can delete your Twitter account. Let's hop into the app and log into your Twitter account that you want to delete. Next, tap on your profile photo in the top left-hand corner. Then tap Settings and Support, and then select Settings and Privacy. Tap on your account, and then tap Deactivate your account. In here, read all the information about deactivating your account. Once you finish reading all of it, then tap the Deactivate button below. Next, you need to enter your password to complete the deactivation request, and then tap the Deactivate button below. After that, your account will be deactivated and it will be deleted after 30 days. If you want to restore your account, simply reactivate by logging in back within the 30 days period. And that's how easy you can delete your Twitter account or X account. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.